Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. And to call a Siri you need press 2 times the touch controls on your left earbud. 1, 2. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. Also, I wanna show you how to customize it, because by default we can use this gesture, but we can open the application, go to touch controls and change it. So you can choose something else. Let's say you need to long press on the right earbud and you just click here and click at the Google Siri. That's it, and now you can also use long press on your right earbud. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!